Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a quick review on this gorgeous Coach mini Rowan, I believe I'm pronouncing that correctly, denim bag. I think it is super cute. I had seen this bag probably about 2 months ago, and then I went back to the outlet at the end of June and I ended up getting it. So I thought it was super cute, really caught my eye. And I wasn't sure if I was going to like it, but honestly, I've been using this now for almost 3 weeks and it's been really, really great. So I wanted to give you just a quick review. Wanted to share with you what I do carry inside. If you're interested in something like this, I think this is so cute. And honestly, it might look young, but I think it's great for any age, to be honest with you. I mean, if you use this bag for like the spring, summer, even fall, I think you can rock it for sure. So I'm going to show you the bottom of it. I love that blue. Very, very pretty. And I just added a charm here, a little pineapple charm, which for me, I love because it screams summer. And that is it. So I just wanted to show you sort of like a close-up. You can see the stitching on here. It's done actually really well. Not bad at all. I'm just wondering how this is going to be over time. But I think it's super cute and I love the gold combo. It's just great. It really is. All right, so let me show you what I have inside this little bag. So we'll just open it here. Okay, so I just have here my essentials. I have some lotion, which these are really great if you guys want something more slim for your hand cream. I highly recommend Nivea. I think it's a great brand. You can find this on Amazon. I have here just my chapstick that I use like 5 times a day. The lipstick of the day, which is this color that I'm wearing from MAC, my lip liner, and I have my hand sanitizer here. And as you guys know, I am growing out my natural nails again. So I have here this glass file nail that I have to carry with me at all times because my nails are breaking. So let me know if you guys want me to do a video on natural nail care because I will be more than happy to share my tips. Okay, what else do I have in here? So in here, I have some hand wipes. This is from Hello Kitty. I just found this in the local Korean supermarket where I live, which I love. These are like $1. Can't go wrong with that. What else do I have here? I have here my Louis Vuitton key holder, which is great. Then I have here also the other Louis Vuitton piece, and this is also a key holder. And in here, I just have some cash and then my credit cards, ID, and all that good stuff. So I don't really, pack a lot during the summer. At least I try not to. Try to be very light. So this works perfectly. And then what else do I have here? Then I just have here some gum, and then I have here my car keys, and then I have my Chanel mirror. Oh my God, I love this thing. If you guys ever find this, please don't think twice. Just grab it. They're super, super cute, and I love it. I carry this with me all the time. And then I also have another set of keys for my shop. So that is it. That's pretty much all I have in here. I just want to show you the interior. We have like this sort of like a polyester feel, which is really nice. And the inside is pretty deep. And then in here, on this side, it has 2 slots here. And you can put IDs if you like, or paperwork, whatever you want. And that is it. So I think this is a really cute bag. I briefly did a reveal slash unboxing on my YouTube short, and I paid $179 for it. So for $179, you're getting a lot for your money. And I also saw this in the color black, which I'm kind of tempted to pick that up as well. But I think it is super cute. So now I'm just going to show you what it looks like on me, and also just quickly share with you what you're going to get if you're looking into this bag. What comes inside. You have the tags here from Coach, and then you have here, you have here the code, the SKU code And then the name of it is Indigo, if I'm not mistaken. So in case you guys want to take some notes, if you are interested in this particular piece. And then the strap, sorry, I have to grab that, is here. What I like about this strap, it's long enough and also you can adjust it. So right now, let's see how many holes this has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I pretty much have it all the way up here just because I like it to be a little bit more snug on my body and it's flexible. And what I like about this, maybe you guys can see this, it doesn't like flip up. I know some other bags, I know I have a Gucci bag where the strap does that. So this so far is pretty good. I'll just give you the back view. But yeah, if you look at the stitching, yeah, I guess with the exception of, I thought I saw it. I don't know where it is. Maybe right here. That's just me being a little crazy. But overall, I think it's really, really good. It's made very well. I love the little bag because you can use this also for travel, which I'm a huge fan of that. So yeah, that is it. I'm also going to show you another video, another what do you call it? Like a picture of all the items that I have inside and then how it looks on me. But overall, I think it's a cute little bag. So if you're interested in Coach, I haven't bought Coach in probably 10, 15 years. So I'm really excited. And so far, I like it. So let me know if you have this bag. Let me know what you think. And if you want more info, just make sure to check out the description box below. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye.